Okay, we are at the dashboard. Now we will go to my garden. Click here. Add, say, okay. Okay, say you have beans, 4 beans, and then okay, let's save. Then we will go to calendar. Okay. Now for beans, click correct date. Click here. Suppose you seeded it on 1 April. Click confirm. Okay. Now as you can see, it automatically changed to 1 April. Now how to change the transplant date or add actual transplant date for the planted trees which you have existing on your bed before you use the Edenvatika app. Now click here, click confirm germinated, click OK. OK. Now you have set this had germinated on May 4. Now click again, click here, give the actual date, say 10 April, confirm it. It's automatically changed 10. Okay. Similarly, say you have confirmed the transplant. Okay. Click here. Say it transplanted on 22 April. Click confirm. Done. This is how you do this. Okay. Thank you.